right, well, that was short-lived. The guy in the camper pulled off at the little road that goes down to Hanging Dog. There were some folks fixing a flat tire, and I guess he pulled off to either let me by or to join him. I don't know, but that was awfully kind of him. Not everyone who's sitting inside a cage on top of four wheels will pull off. Look at the fires. There's the fires. But when people do allow you to go by, it is greatly appreciated. So my guess is that car sitting on the side and that truck that was backed in, down here, if you look down in there, on the north side of a mountain, that's where you find ramps. And this is middle of April, so middle of April, May is when people go out and they dig up ramps. Ramps are these nasty, disgusting, onion-like, I don't even know how to explain it. It's like it's borderline the worst thing you could put in your mouth. But these people in the mountains eat them. They even have ramp festivals. Like you have Strawberry Festival or Watermelon Festival. These jokers have a ramp festival. I will say that the ramp festivals I've been to, they had pretty good barbecue, but the ramps weren't that good. Those wild onions that grow in your front yard, that makes your yard smell like onions when you're cutting grass, those taste a lot better than a ramp does. Yeah, this guy's definitely looking for ramps. But everything on the north side of the mountain, you just hike down the side of the mountain. If you don't know what a ramp is, Google it. You'll see what I'm talking about. The plant itself looks kind of cool. I mean, it's a pretty plant. Those people have their bags, so I'm pretty sure they hiked down this morning and picked theirs. But these mountain folks, they swear by having a Walmart bag full of ramps. They're happy when they come up the mountainside with their free plastic bag full of free food. Yuck. Ugh. Ugh. If I could walk off the side of one of these mountains and pick asparagus, I'd be all over it. But I don't really care about ramps. But hey, alright, I'm gonna kill this video here and I'm gonna start a new one. That way I don't have to edit a whole bunch of stuff later. So, hey, hit that like button for me. Please, pretty please hit that like button.